The adjective of the word generosity is generous. The noun of the word pursue is pursued. Man cannot live alone. The word alone here is adverb. You must watch the fleet. Here fleet is a collective noun. Synonyms: corroborate, confirm, refute, disprove, abortive, futile. Antonyms: queer, orderly, amalgamate, split, nefarious, faithful, benign, malignant, miserly, generous, patriot, traitor. She has anxiety for her son. Restore his property to him. This book is useful to us for examination. This type of rice is superior to that. Idioms and phrases. Cook and bull story is silly story. Come to the point to reach the important part. Wear and tear. Depreciation. In the face of, in opposition to. Articles. He is the man of the match. The charge for the excess luggage is Tk 800 per kilo. Do you know the name of the artist who painted this portrait? Translation.
কম পানির মাছ বেশি পানিতে উঠলে লাফালাফি করে।
Being unnecessarily fashy is pointless.
ইচ্ছা থাকলে উপায় হয়।
Where there is a will, there is a way.
চোর না শোনে ধর্মের কাহিনী।
The devil would not listen the scriptures.
এক মাঘে শীত যায় না।
Shallow doesn't make a summer. Voice. Active. The student satisfied the teacher. Passive. The teacher was satisfied by the student. Active. A child could not have done this mischief. Passive. This mischief could not have been done by a child.